Jack and make me a DJ, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a percussive electro style bass line using analog in Ableton Live. So just as you can see, we've got these long sustained notes drawn in. That's being tamed by a scale in F minor. We're just going to add analog to this and give it a play. So now we can add Max for Live's Arp and just set it to 16th note. We just want to drop the octave down just so it's playing all on the same octave. So now we can go ahead and start programming our synth. We're just going to drop a saw wave down by 1 octave, set oscillator 2 to a square, detune them both in the opposite direction. Drop our frequency on our filter down and peak the resonance slightly, just to give it a bit more of a squelchy, kind of almost like an acid sound. From here, we just need to tame the amp envelope by dropping the decay down, and then shorten the decay and the sustain on the filter envelope. And there we have our vintage style electro bass line.